Now you're going to be quiet? I don't understand it. Hey guys, welcome back to Not For Nothing Homestead. I'm Ginger. Thank you very much for stopping by today. Every time I start talking, they start talking. Okay, so I'm out here with the ducks. This is the duck pen that we built. We want to bring you an update on that. This was part of a collaboration, hashtag Building Skills Collab. Now that's put on by Mountain Grandma Tammy, Janet Simply Jan, and Linda at Another Time. If you haven't checked out that collaboration, make sure you go check it out. So our previous video, we showed you what all we did and how we built this duck pen to give them more room and to be better for them. Somebody's showing out. So we had to make some adjustments, and I'm sure that as soon as you see them, there's going to be a few people that say, I probably could have called that one for you. Well, sorry. We're just trial and error here, people. We're just doing things through trial and error, right? And you weren't here when we started this. So anyways, I'm going to turn you around and show you what we updated. Okay, so here is the pen. We put sod in here. This is holding up okay. You guys want to talk? Do you want to talk? Yes, yes, yes. You can be the star of the show. Oh, you're making a heart together. How sweet. Yeah, that was so sweet. Okay, so it's a mess in here right now. But what we decided to do out there is, after research, Joey looked up, and a lot of people put sand and then rocks, different kind of rocks, pebble rocks and stuff, in their duck pens around their water, where if they have a pond or if they built something, they put it around the water. So that is what we did. The sod just was drying out, and it was holding the duck poop, and it was gross. So we did this. I put 2 pools in here because they're getting bigger, and they're so funny because they jump from that pool to this pool back and forth, so it's actually quite cute. If I could, yes, I'm talking about you. If I could have caught that on camera, that would have been great, right? Those great moments that we don't get to catch on camera. But this is the update on our hashtag Building Skills Collab, what we changed up. The grass in here has gone a little dormant, but there's still some green. See, you can see there's still some green in it. And then we got some bigger rocks and put around the edge. But they're really enjoying this pen. I mean, they absolutely love everything about it. Okay, say goodbye to everybody. I mean, you wanted to talk so much while I was talking. Now it's time to say goodbye. Say bye. No? What? Cat got your tongue? Look how pretty Trey's bill is. It looks like it's camouflage. Yeah, I'm talking about you, girly. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Okay, say bye. Say bye. Say bye, everybody. If you have not checked out our Building Skills collaboration video, I'm going to link it up here or over here. I'm not sure where it'll let me link it. I will do that. Make sure you go and check out that playlist. There's a lot of amazing things on there that people have built, and then they're going to have a giveaway in just a few days, guys. So you want to make sure and get caught up on all those videos. All right, that's it for me here today at Not For Nothing Homestead. Take care of you and yours. God bless. Stay hydrated, and we'll see you in the next video.